Welcome to QuickBooks Bumps and Benefits, Tips and Tricks. I'm Steve Resuta, CPA, here to show you one of my favorite tools for saving taxes and increasing profits, QuickBooks Online. And big news in the QuickBooks Online world. And online we can now, just like in desktop, if we have a bill, we can actually create a vendor credit right from the bill. In the past we had to go in and create a blank vendor credit and go back in and re-input anything that is in a bill. In this case, I will take a bill I have in here, Hicks Hardware. And if I had two different items in here, in this case, miscellaneous and 2 doors, and if I wanted to return one of them, I would have to go in and input each single item on a vendor credit to take off of my bill. And now we can actually go right in here, and it's a great trick. Go in and copy right to the vendor credit. It'll recopy every item. So if we had 10 items and we were returning 5 of them, there'd be a lot of work to do. You have to make sure you get every single thing right. In this case, they're all sitting here. We can just go in. If we want to return 1 door, 2 doors, return 1. And we are not doing anything with the miscellaneous. That'll stay the same. Again, this is a vendor credit, so it'll reduce our bill and the amount that we have to pay. So we save it. We'll take a look at the vendor credit. Here it is, $300 for the returned door. And now we'll get out of here and go in to pay bills. And we'll take a look for Hicks Hardware. Due today is $600. We click on it and it shows us that we already have a payment of $300, and that's because there is in this category here a credit applied. So the original bill minus $300. So now we only have a total due of $600, and we can schedule a payment or mark it as paid, but much easier to go in and just create vendor credits right from the More button on our bills, and it'll get you ready to create a vendor credit to reduce your bill and have it sitting here when you go to pay your bills and have that credit applied. So much easier way to do it. If you like my videos, hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you once again, and catch you next time. And you're welcome to message me or call me if you're in my local area. I'd like to help businesses save taxes and increase profits. And we can look at QuickBooks. We can look at different things I do for my accounting and tax clients. Thank you.